sing happy birthday with energy. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Louder. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And once again, everyone, shout happy birthday, Kylie, in 3, 2, 1. Now, Kylie, I want you to make a wish before you blow the candle.
Ganda ni Kainin, hindi lang natawa. Oh, ganyan, hindi natawa yun.
Isang malakas sa palakpakan, everyone. Happy birthday! Ano kaya ang wish ni Kylie? Thank you so much to the whole family. You will now take your seats. And of course, to Kylie, come and join me here